Hi friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. It is pre-algebra class lecture 42. In this lecture we will explain operations on polynomials. Third operation is multiplication of polynomials. In lecture 40 and 42 we explain addition and subtraction of polynomials. Here we want to explain multiplication of polynomials. First we want to write the methods for multiplying two or more than two polynomials first we multiply the terms of a polynomial to the terms of another polynomial, then add or subtract the like terms. It is also possible in two methods, horizontal methods and vertical methods. Example: multiply the following polynomials. Number 1, here are three questions we want to solve. This example: f of x is equal to 2x plus 3, g of x is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 11. Number 2, a is equal to 3y squared minus 3y plus 1, b is equal to y squared minus 2y plus 12, number 3, hy is equal to y cubed minus 2y squared plus y minus 1 over 2, p of y is equal to minus y to the power 4 minus 2y cubed minus 5y squared plus y minus 5. Now we want to solve this question. First one, we want to solve question 1 by two methods. Number 1, f of x is equal to 2x plus 3, g of x is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 11. Horizontal method. First one, horizontal method. Here f of x into g of x is equal to f of x, we have 2x plus 3 into g of x, x squared minus 2x plus 11. Here we will use the power law, multiplication of power law. Here if we multiply 2x multiplied by x, 2x multiplied by x squared plus 2x multiplied by minus 2x plus 2x multiplied by 11 Now another term is 3. 3 multiplied by x square plus 3 multiplied by minus 2x plus 3 multiplied by 11. It is equal to 2 into x multiplied by x square, x cube, plus multiplied by minus, minus 2 multiplied by 2, 4 x square, plus 2 multiplied by 11, 22x, plus 3x square, plus 3 multiplied by minus 2, minus 6x, 3 multiplied by 11, 33. It is equal to 2x cube minus 4x square plus 22x plus, we want to add the like terms here. 2x cube minus 4x square plus 3x square, we get x square, plus 22x minus 6x. It is equal to plus 16x. Yeah, 16x plus 33. It was the horizontal method. Now we want to solve this question by vertical methods. Vertical, number 2, vertical method. First, we want to write one of these polynomial f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. Second one, g of x is equal to x square. It should be arranged from decreasing order of their degree minus 2x plus 11. Now we want to multiply these two polynomial first. We want to multiply x square by 2x. It is equal to 2x cube. X square multiplied by x cube, plus multiplied by plus x square multiplied by 3x square. Now x square finished, second one minus 2x. Minus 2x multiplied by 2x minus 4x square. We have to write under the like terms. Minus 4x square minus 2x multiplied by 3 minus 6x. Now we want to multiply 11. 11 multiplied by 2x, it is equal to 22x. 11 multiplied by 3 plus 32. Now we want to add this polynomial, then f of x multiplied by g of x is equal to 2x cube minus x square plus 12x plus 33. It was the solution of question 1. Now we want to solve question 2. Question 2, horizontal method. We want to find a multiplied by b is equal to a 3y square minus 3y plus 1 multiplied by y square minus 2y plus 12. Now here we want to multiply 3y square by y square, 3y to the power 4, plus multiply by minus 6y cube, y square multiplied by y cube, plus multiply by plus 3 multiplied by 12, 36y square, y square minus 3y multiplied by y minus 3y cube minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 plus minus 6 plus 6y square minus 3 multiplied by 12 minus 36y. Now we want to multiply 1 by y square plus minus 2y plus 1 multiplied by 12. It is equal to 3y y to the power 4. We don't have another. We will write itself. Here we have y cube. Here also we have y cube. Then we get minus 6y cube minus 3y cube minus 9y cube. Here we have 36y squared plus 6y squared. It is equal to 42. Y squared is equal, totally we have 43 y square. Here we have 36y. Here also we have minus 2y minus 38y plus 12. It is the result of horizontal method of the product of these two polynomial. Now we want to solve by vertical methods. Second one, vertical method. Here first we will write one of the polynomial 3y square minus 3y plus 1 b is equal to y square minus 2y plus 12. Now we want to multiply these two polynomial y square multiplied by 3y square 3y to the power 4 plus multiplied by minus 3y cube plus multiplied by plus y square minus 2 multiplied by 3 minus 6 y to the power 3 minus 2 multiplied by minus 3 plus 2 multiplied by 3 6 y square minus 2 multiplied by plus 1 minus 2y. Now we multiply 12 by 30 by 3. It is equal to 36y square. 12 multiplied by minus 36y. 12 multiplied by 1 12. Now we want to add this polynomial. We get a into b is equal to 3y to the power 4 minus 9y to the power 3 plus 1 plus 6 7 plus 36 43 y square minus 2 minus 36 minus 38 y plus 12. It was the vertical method, which is the result are same. Here also both of them are same. Third one is your homework. You have to do by yourself. Thank you.